guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia and this is That's So Letitia. And to all of my new viewers, supporters, subscribers, welcome guys, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy the content. And to all of my returning viewers, supporters, and subscribers, welcome back guys. As always, it is a pleasure to see you. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. And no, you did not fast forward this video. A portion has not been chopped off. I am starting from the middle portion of my makeup application. I've already applied my color corrector. I've already applied my SPF, primer, all of the things. I'm actually going to montage it if you guys are interested in viewing what that looks like. Otherwise, you could just fast forward and I will put a link to one of my many videos that actually does show my foundation application. Reason for this is because I wanted to get right into the actual product that I am looking to review and also perform a wear test on. So, many of you may know, some of you may not, that Juvia's Place actually came out with a new setting powder. At this point, I feel like we have just as many setting powders as we do foundations. I am so ready to now see some more eyeshadow palettes, but we have to take what we can get, right? This is the new setting powder by Juvia's Place, or should I say the new finishing powder by Juvia's Place. There is a difference. They have this one categorized as a finishing powder. And this is from the press release. Juvia's Place I Am Magic Silk Finishing Powder provides instant perfection to any makeup base. This sensorial loose powder is silky and leaves a blurring effect on skin for a flawless makeup application. Pair with their OG setting powder for a baked and brighter effect. Now see, that just did something for my review right there, because I was saying to myself, is this one going to replace the I Am Magic setting powder? But apparently not. They said to pair the two together. And guess what? I have both. So let's go. This one retails for $25 and it comes in 8 shades. We have brown sugar, we have warm honey, which is the one I have because brown sugar was totally sold out of my local Ulta. We have shortbread, cookie dough, vanilla bean, coconut flakes, whipped cream, and lastly, cotton candy, which is a pink option. All right, $25 for 0.35 ounces. Again, this is the container. This is what it looks like. And it kind of has the standard here. Take this off. Yep, like the standard where you kind of put the top on, you shake a little bit up into this top area, and then you just use your powder applicator to scoop it out and apply it to your face. So, since they are instructing us to apply this with the OG setting powder, we are going to do just that. And now just a little refresher on the actual OG I Am Magic Loose Setting Powder. This one through Ulta comes in 3 shades. We have Gobi, which is a warm saffron. That's the one I have. We have Kalahari, which is a banana yellow. And lastly, there was a white sand, which is classified as light. The reason I said was is because according to the Ulta website, they no longer carry it. So, given the fact that the instructions for the finishing powder is suggesting to pair it with the setting powder that Ulta no longer carries, at least according to their website, they don't. I'm wondering if they're going to re-release the setting powders, if they're working on a new formula for the setting powders, or maybe we just have to go through the actual Juvia's Place website for the setting powder. Let's see. Bingo. So it is definitely live and in full color on the Juvia's Place website. All right, so without further ado, like I said, I did all of the things. It was montaged about 2 minutes ago. So we're just going to begin to set. Using first the Juvia's Place OG powder, and then to actually apply it, which I am excited to finally get a jumbo size one. Juvia's Place came out with the I Am Magic Pyramid Puff. They have 2 sizes. They have a small and then they have a large. My Ulta had only the larges left, so I picked up a large, and let's not play crazy, I wanted the large anyway. So, just kind of get her all bendy. This is rather stiff. It is soft, but it's stiff. Okay. So I'm going to first apply Gobi. Now this one we would use in the sense of setting and baking. And like I said, this will be a wear test day, and it's a good day for it because I will be going out. Today is content day. So I'm going out to film some content and also help my son, who is also a content creator, get some content. So we will definitely be out and about in the sun, elements, and I get to see how well this photographs, how well it films. And one of my top concerns anytime I'm adding a new product in terms of makeup is, will it help combat oil? I'm going to give it a fair shot. I am like really setting my face more than I probably would otherwise. I mean, the setting powder from Juvia was definitely a OG. I started using this powder once they launched the I Am Magic line, which we all know came with the groundbreaking I Am Magic foundations that you couldn't see pores. you couldn't even tell you were alive wearing that foundation. That was some extremely full coverage foundation. Then the shade range, like, let's give it up for what the shade range was. Oh my goodness. So I definitely have faith in this powder because, again, I've used it for years. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And now I'm just going to finish my face up. I will be back and then we will use the finishing powder. And from that point, the wear test shall begin. Okay guys, so I'm back. And although I did not film me completing my look, in the description box below, I still will put a list of all of the items that I used, such as the blush, the bronzer, the lip, and eyeshadow, of which all are by Juvia's Place. But in case anybody was wanting to kind of recreate this look, you will have a complete list of everything that I did use. Now, on to the finale, which is the finishing powder. Since this is a finishing powder, I am not going to apply it like using a powder puff or anything like that. This should just be a very light layer, a light dusting that you just place across your entire face to kind of finish up your look. So for that, I'm going to take this fan brush here by Eco Tools and lightly pick up some of the product. And I'm just going to sweep it across. Because remember, we already did our setting and our baking using the other Juvia's Place powder, which is the setting powder. This one is supposed to complement that. And that is it. I'm going to apply some setting spray. This is by One Size Beauty. This is the On Till Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I feel like because it's an aerosol, many people, including myself, that apply this, we overspray it. Okay, not really sure what that does for our lungs, but it's okay. At least our makeup isn't gonna move. Now I'm just gonna get dressed, going to get my day started, get out, get some content, and I will check back in with you guys this evening. Right now, let's see, the time is 11:44. I don't know if you guys can see that. I am about to get dressed, head out the door, go get some content, check back in with you guys this evening, and we will see just how well did the finishing powder hold up. Also, one of the claims is that there is no flashback when you take photos. I will be taking a few photos, unfiltered of course, and we will see exactly what it gave. All right, so here's to later. Talk to you guys soon. I'm tired. I've had a long day. But as promised, all right guys, I'm exhausted. Y'all have to forgive me. So I am back in the house. As you can see, I'm dressed, hair is different. Makeup, not so different. I'm pretty impressed. So I started this wear test at about 11:40-ish this morning. It is now, and you guys definitely can't see this, it's totally fine. Right now it is 20 minutes to 7. I have been out all day. I have been out taking pictures, just getting content, smiling, laughing, talking to people, eating. The only thing really missing is my lipstick from all of the food that I was eating and the drinks I was drinking. But I will say, this finishing powder by Juvia's Place, it definitely did what it was supposed to do. It made my makeup look very silky, very smooth. I feel like actually combining it with the setting powder did wonders for hiding any pores. Like it really wore very well. Like if I wasn't tired and if I had somewhere else that I was trying to go this evening, I could easily see myself using like a oil blotting paper, putting on some more lipstick and going about my business. Like this finishing powder did exactly what it needed to do. And I will be very honest and say, I'm usually one that just kind of sticks with the setting powders and then I'm done. I didn't even think that a finishing powder was needed in my life, but after seeing how I looked when I walked back in the house, taking pictures and things like that, I'm like, okay, I could go for this. But as I showed you guys how I applied it earlier, very light layer. That way oh Lord, it's over here. That way this container can last, quite a bit of time. And maybe applying it with, a fan type brush just so you could lightly apply it on top. I say it's a banger. I say it's a keeper. With that being said, let me get myself off of here. I am so tired. All of the footage that I got earlier when I was out, you guys will see that in my upcoming February vlog. Be on the lookout for that. It actually goes live the first Sunday in March. So, as I stated earlier, in the description box below is going to be a complete list of all items that I used both on camera and off camera in the event that maybe you want to follow along and recreate this look yourself. Guys, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, you made it this far. You might as well join the family. Stick around for a while. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, make sure to hit the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time there is an upload from this channel. Guys, be well, stay safe, exercise self-care. It is not a privilege, but a necessity. Make sure to check on your strong friends after you check in with yourself. And until next time, we shall chat again soon.